Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. We're going to be doing another segment in our rig rebuild series. If you didn't catch the previous video, you should have a look. We go over the installation of the new tires we had put on Mojo, but today we're going to be talking about the tonneau cover.
Yeah, we had two tonneau covers previously. In our Tacoma. We had one, and then on Mo, when we first got Mo, just about a month or so later, we had the RealTruck BAKFlip, the original one, and it probably was on there for about a year and a half or so until we got the topper, which you've seen in the, if you've watched any other videos, most of the videos, it has the topper, which got unfortunately crushed in the
incident.
So anyways, that's where we are as far as what we've had. This is our third tonneau cover. It's the from RealTrucks. It's the BAKFlip MX4 Generation 3.
Well, let's have a look. So let's go over a few of the key features. This tonneau cover is actually very easy to open. You just pull down here, lift up. It's really lightweight. It's actually lighter weight than previous generations. And you're just pulling down on these, lifting up and folding back. And then when you get to here, it will actually fold up more, and there's a way to latch it so that you can utilize all the bed space, and we'll go ahead and show you that now. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. If you only need this portion of the bed, you don't need this lifted up, you can stop here, take this strap, click it in here, and it will hold this down, and you'll be able to travel like this. But if you need to flip this up and utilize the entirety of the bed, we'll show you that. Okay, for this part, I'm in the back of the truck. If you're taller than me, you can probably do it from the side, but it's easier for me to do it from here. So first I want to point out is that we have some foam pieces here that came with the cover. We installed those so that when you lift it up, it won't scratch the glass on the back of your truck. So for this part, you're going to reach under, grab that little string right there again, pull it down, lift up, let it go ahead and rest back here against the glass. There is a bar right here. You're going to lift that up, bring it up here. You're going to pull this up, set that down, push that down on top of it, twist this until you have it firmly in place. Then you're going to come over, and there is one on this side that you will do as well, and then that's going to lock this in place, and you'll be able to utilize much more of your bed this way.
Now that we have the tonneau cover up, let's talk real briefly about the installation. We put it comes with a foam strip that goes across the bulkhead. Rub it down with alcohol, put the foam strip on, keeps the water from coming in across the top. It just goes from end to end. The two rails, we'll put it, you just lay them up on the side of the truck, and you'll push it up against the bulkhead, and then it comes with 3 clips on the side, and there's 2 pieces to each clip. It comes with a bolt and a washer. Pretty easy to install. You just find a place there's nothing behind the clip, get them all tight in there, doesn't move, and you do the same thing on the other side. And for more detailed instructions, what I used, RealTruck is where we got this. It has detailed instructions per tonneau cover for the model of truck that you have. So I just used the F-150 steps. Really easy video, walked me through it. I was able to put it together in about an hour, hour and a half. Now let's go ahead and bring the top down and show you the reverse and some other features.
Well, we're going to bring it right back down. Each section will click into place, just like that. And then the final piece. And there it is, right back down. So we had a perfectly shady day, but the sun just came out, but that's okay. We'll just carry on. We're going to talk a little bit about the space. We were a little concerned that all of our stuff might not fit because we thought it might be too tall, but one of the tallest things we're going to be carrying right now is our Yeti cooler, and as you can see, it fits with no problem. Now, we used to carry e-bikes and all kinds of things that made it kind of necessary for us to have that topper, but we don't carry those anymore, and so the height that we have here is going to be perfectly fine for us now. There's plenty of space, so if this fits, your generator and all your other things are going to fit in here just fine. So now that we have it closed, let's talk about how you can get in through the tailgate. Let's go ahead and click that key fob. And look at that, it opens right up, even with the topper on. Now, if you pull the top back, let's go ahead and shut it up.
And watch. No issues.
Yeah. You can go ahead and shut that down, no problem. So any way that you do it, you should not have any problems with opening and closing the tailgate with it down or up or whatever. It is a bit of security. Now, of course, if somebody wants to get in, they'll get in. But there is a degree of security. You can't lift this up when the tailgate's up and this is down. And if you lock the tailgate, then the tailgate can't be opened and the tonneau cover can't be lifted up. So that's a little added security there.
Yeah, very nice.
For stowing all your gear, because when you're on the road, you've got a lot of stuff stowed back here. So you would like to have at least a little peace of mind.
It's the best we have, and then
Right.
the other camera, some other more expensive equipment we keep in the truck.
Yeah, but it's a first layer of defense. We hope it's a deterrent, but it's nice that that is something that makes it a little harder to get into the back of your truck. And when it comes to durability, it can hold up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight. Now, not that I weigh 400 pounds, but it's just an example.
All right, now let's talk a little bit about why we chose the tonneau cover.
Yeah, so we chose the tonneau cover for basically two reasons. One is the cost. The tonneau cover was just a lot more reasonably priced than going back to the topper we had on our old truck. And the second one is that we just didn't need the space that we needed in the past. So before, we were hauling things like our e-bikes, which were a lot taller, and we just really needed that extra height in the back of the truck.
Yeah.
But different seasons, you need different things, and in this chapter of our life we just felt like that we didn't really need all of that, and so the difference between price between the tonneau cover and the topper, it just didn't make sense to go with something that we probably really didn't need.
Yeah, the price difference, just my initial research was somewhere around $4,000, because we got 3,500 or so when Mo had the topper, but now they're much more than that. And we've had this, as I mentioned before, we've had this BAKFlip, the original one on Mo, about 5 years ago, and we really liked this one, the way that it works. And so this one was $1,049. I was able to get a military discount. They didn't really have any codes, but I chatted with the RealTruck.com, and they gave me a 5% discount. So you could try that and see if you could get a veteran discount. It worked. Generally, sometimes it works, but that worked, and able to get it for, like I say, $1,049.
Yeah, so it really just came down to functionality and price, and we're happy. We were happy with this before, and I think we'll be happy with it now. So we're going to go ahead and just wrap this one up. See you down the road.